In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dictionary tool. When you're writing and a word gives you pause, the built-in dictionary is the fastest way to check its meaning without breaking your flow. There are two simple ways to open it, and both are quick and reliable depending on what you're doing in the moment. If the word is already on your screen, the quickest route is to right-click the word and select Define. That's it. As soon as you choose Define, a panel opens and presents the definition, and in many cases, you'll also see a short list of synonyms. This is perfect when you're editing a sentence and want immediate clarity on how the word is used. Because you started from the word in your document, the result will focus right away on that exact term, so you can glance at the meaning and keep moving. If you're not looking at the word in your document, or you just prefer to type your query directly, go to the top menu, open Tools, choose Dictionary, and then type the word. This method is great when you're planning your writing, reviewing ideas, or exploring a term you haven't added to your text yet. Once you enter the word, that same dictionary panel appears with the definition and sometimes synonyms that can help you refine your phrasing. In both cases, the panel usually stays visible alongside your document, so you can read the definition while you keep working. Pay attention to the part of speech listed with the definition, like noun, verb, or adjective. Matching that to how you're using the word in your sentence helps you pick the right meaning when there are multiple senses. If several definitions appear, read the brief descriptions and choose the one that best fits your context. When synonyms are available, treat them as options, not automatic replacements. Each synonym can carry a slightly different tone or level of formality. If you need a stronger or softer word, those suggestions can guide you, but always double check that the substitute preserves your intended meaning. A few quick tips as you use the tool. Keep your sentence visible so you can compare the definition with how you're using the word. Be mindful of similar looking words that may have different meanings. And if you're unsure, revisit the panel to confirm you've chosen the best sense. That's all there is to it. Right-click and define for instant, in-place checking, or open tools. Choose Dictionary, and type a word when you want to look something up directly. With the Dictionary panel open, you'll write with more confidence and clarity.